PepsiCo is huge. It's got a massive size and scale with more than 300,000 people, 2,700 plus sites operating in more than 120 plus countries. Carrying over 125 years of legacy, the company has gone through waves of transformation in the past and changes. My name is Rajat Arora, and I'm a Senior Director of Strategy and Transformation, as well as the Global Head of Networks for PepsiCo. A large part of our strategy is to ensure that we are AI ready. We can process and operate AI-related applications within the factory itself, right at the edge on premise. It allows us to process autonomous systems, robotics, smart sensors on the production line. All of that processing has to be real time. As we move forward, we're expected to see our AI workloads grow. The use cases in our factories, they would continue to grow. And if you talk today, we have the smart sensors, we've got the smart cameras installed. So we need things like the ultra low latency wireless supporting all of that. We need the smart switching systems, but also a platform which is all modular in nature, bringing the compute, storage, security, and the SD-WAN all in one. Success for PepsiCo in the years to come would mean to be ready for the unknown, be ready for the huge wave of AI that's going to disrupt a lot of businesses around. We're at the center of all this. We're ensuring that our systems are built to last, to build to scale, to be resilient, and be intelligent.